how to solve a polynomial really means, what would you plug in for x to get this to equal 0? Ordinarily in your textbook, when they talk about solving polynomials, they're going to ask you to set it equal to 0. So when we do that, the technical term for this is zero product property. It's called that because things multiplied by each other to equal 0, one of them must be 0. The only way to multiply to get 0 is for one of these to equal 0. So it's called zero product property. Product means times, multiply. So when you multiply stuff to get 0, something has to be 0. So here's the way we're going to get our answers. We're going to say, well, either x is 0. That's our first possibility. X is 0. Or, that's one choice. So let's put our answers up here. 0. Or we could have 2. X minus 2. So you say to yourself, x minus 2, that could equal 0. What do we need x to be? Solve it out. X equals 2. So that's my second answer. X could be 0, x could be 2. Third answer, there's going to be 3 answers here. 1, 2, 3. Third answer is you set this equal to 0. 2x plus 3 equals 0. Because if this expression equals 0, it doesn't matter what these are. 0 times anything is 0. So let's set this equal to 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals negative 3. Divide by 2. We get x alone equals negative 3 halves. Remember to keep the negative sign. That's the most common careless error people make on these, is to lose the negative. Negative 3 halves. So we have 3 answers, 0, 2, or negative 3 halves. What that means is any one of these plugged in for x will ultimately give a result. When you multiply, you'll get 0.